Guys, look what we have here. Early Saturday morning. We got who? Big A. Who? Big A. Listen, Big A haven't been in the video for a minute, but Big A is a part of the SNW crew. I'm saying this very fast, so you can listen very slow. But listen, guys. Big A is here today to do what? The Joker step. To do what? The Joker step. To do what? The sugar free. And the Joker step. Big A haven't jump step in a while. This one gonna be crucial. It's gonna be, Big A, I'm gonna capture everything. You're throwing up, you vomit, the pain, cause it's gonna be painful. I'm sorry for you already, but I know you can do it. I feel your pain, my brother. You know? Later on, I have to talk to your mother. She's gonna say, what did you do to my son? I said, Ma, this is what he wanted. He wanted to do the sugar-free. DeMarche, take over.
Yo, Sammy the Young Jamaican trainer. I want to say big up everybody. I hope you're having a good Saturday morning. But let me tell you something right now. We are at the Joker step and we have Big A, a part of the SNW crew, about to complete the sugar-free. Now guys, you may be wondering, how is the sugar-free gonna work on the Joker step? Well, that's a great question. I'm gonna answer it right now. So look, Big A got the center block right here. He's jumping up. When he gets to the first landing, he's doing 5 push-ups. Now we're not increasing anything because that would be deadly.
Deadly.
So listen, everything is staying at 5. You get to the next landing, 5, and it goes for everybody in the SNW crew today. So guys, I want you to comment down below. Do you think Big A is ready? Big A is ready. I believe so. Of course. I'm always ready.
Big A always ready.
Let's go. So without further ado, Big A, when you ready, we're getting everything today. Today is basically your comeback for the SNW.
The comeback, Big A. Guys, you ready? Let's go, Big A. Woo!
Good job.
Oh.
Let's go.
Let's go. 5 push-up. Woo! 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Woo!
Going up early, Big A. Good job. That's light money. That's light money. Light work. Light work. Good job. Hold on. Good job. Stay balanced. Good job.
Woo!
Some good jumps.
Some good jumps. Those are solid.
I can't lie to you.
Those are some good jumps.
Look at that. Look at
2,
that.
3,
That's proper form.
4, 5.
That's
Let's go, Mr. Big A. He's ready.
He's here.
He's here in person. Woo! Balance yourself.
Here we go.
Balance yourself. Yes.
Oh
Yes.
my God, that was 4.
Woo!
Big A.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sugar free.
That's for the
This
ladies
kid,
so far.
this is good. You're doing good. You don't have to rush. Just do it timely.
That is good.
Be safe with it. Let's go.
Let's go, breathe. Good job. Those are some good jumps. Those are some good jumps. That's great. Yes, sir.
Woo!
Yo, listen,
Let's go.
for the people out there who do edits, let me tell you something. I don't want you to do an edit. When Big A first started with us, to look at Big A right now.
Wow.
Right now. I need that edit. That is something I need. Look at Big A. He's doing proper jump squats with a cinder block and completing his push-ups properly. Let's move on. Let's
Woo!
go, okay? Come on. Good
Woo!
job. Good job.
Keep them wide and nice. Yes.
Oh my
Yes. Woo, Big A, man. This is Big A.
God. You is working.
Is this Big A?
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. Lose, your boy is on fire. Lose, your boy is on fire. Woo! Let's go, Big A. Let's go, Big A.
Wow.
Let's go, Big A. Let's go, Big A. Lose, your boy is on fire. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow.
That's my boy right here.
Yes, sir.
I told him I'm his father from another mother.
Yo.
Let's go.
Big A. Oh my God.
Let's go, Big A. Let's go, Big A. Let's go, Big A. Let's go, Big A. Big A is like a champ. The champ is here.
Wow.
The champ is here. 1, 2, and he locking out 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, this kid is a monster.
Oh my God.
He's a beast. Let's go, Big A. You got this. Woo! Let's go. You see that? This is on fire. He's on fire. Keep it wide, Big A. Keep it wide. Balance yourself. You got it. You got it. I know the legs start burning now. Come on. You got this. You got the upper strength, you got the leg strength, and you got the mind strength. Woo! You got the leg strength, the upper strength, and you got the mind strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Woo! Big A, this, it look like this is just breakfast. This is just breakfast. Keep them wide so you balance yourself. Come on. Woo! Woo! Yes, go. Let's go, Big A. Woo! This kid is on fire. He's on fire, guys.
That's good work, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! You got this, Big A. You the champ. The champ is here. Let's go, Big A. At the Joker step.
Let's go.
Balance yourself. Yes, sir. Balance yourself. Balance yourself. Balance yourself. Yes, sir. You're there. You're close. You're there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Big A, you got this. You got this. But at the end, you have to do 30 push-ups. Let's go. Let's go. You got this. Woo! This is a big accomplishment. And you're doing it in good time too. Come on, Big A. Yes, balance yourself, son. Balance yourself, Big A. You got this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo! Let's drop down. 30 right away. Right away. 30 right away. Let's go. You got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got this. 6. Let's go. 6. Let's go. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 8. You got this. 8, 9, 10. Come on. You got this. Only 20 more. Only 20 more. Only 20 more. 11, 12, 13. Eat them out, Big A. Eat them out. 13. Come on. 13. You got this. 13. 13. 14. 15. Set to 5. Okay. It's on a lot when you the high number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You only have 10 more.
2 sets of 5. 2 sets of 5.
2 sets of 5. That's it. You got this. You got this, Lucen. You got this, Lucen. Come on. You got this. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1 more set.
5 more. Come on. You can finish in before 10 minutes. Come on. Come on. You got this. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
2 more.
2 more.
4. Come on, Big A. 3, 4.
4, 5. Woo! Big A, you accomplished what you said you was gonna do, man.
Oh my God, yo, Big A.
Woo!
You made the sugar-free look like
Big A,
nothing just now.
you did it. I'm so freaking proud of you, my boy. Yo, this kid, I remember, I'm gonna give you a little. I remember when this kid couldn't do 1 push-up, 1 pull-up. And he did the Joker step. He haven't doing step in, I don't remember if he ever come only in the building he did step with us.
Yeah.
And he came out here and execute. He eat these like any grown people. He do better than some grown people. I'm telling you. Yo, you eat these. Yo, be proud of yourself, man. You are a monster. You have arrived.
Thank you, sir.
You have arrived.
Touchdown.
Don't make nobody tell you nothing. Wish you know that already. But just confirm that. You are one of the toughest, one of the best. Yes, kid. Yo, guys, I want you to comment, like, and share. As I said, I remember when my little boy right here couldn't do a push-up, a pull-up, and look at him now. That I'm telling you, it's about consistency. It's about believing yourself. It's about when you start something, you finish. You finish. Because start is easy, but finish is hard. I want to hear something from you, man. What you got to say? How you think?
When I first saw these steps from the car when we were passing by, I looked up and I said, Jesus Christ. Yo, and then in video they look like regular steps, but when you see them from the bottom, they look like giant steps. But you know what? You know what? You just gotta take it one jump at a time.
Yep.
Each flight, next 5, and keep going.
That was awesome. Big accomplishment. So guys, I want you guys comment, like, share, and make this video. I need the video to have 2,000 likes in 10 hours. 2,000 likes. Just like and comment. One person, you could comment 100 times if you want. I want you guys talk. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Jamali, what you think? What you think? What you think?
I'm not really thinking of that.
You're not thinking right now? The brain always have to be activated. So you always got to be thinking. The moment your brain not working, you're dead. Don't be a walking dead. So guys, see you in the next video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And describe.